Now the next thing that we should talk about is a module. But before we go ahead in that, I want to show you an example. What I've done is I've written a small code here and it's in your 4A. So the 4A send SMS editor. What we are doing here is we are making an SMS editor like this. That means you can compose an SMS and then you can just type in. So like something like you're just typing the text and then you see that the numbers of characters that is left is uh, is reducing, right? It starts from 160 and then it goes on uh, decreasing. So it tells the user that the numbers of characters that are left. Now, to do that, I have written a simple HTML here. In this template, I have a text area, and I have captured that value in the model named message. These are simple variables like columns and rows. Now, we see a new function here, ng-click, and this is not the intention of the video to explain what it does. However, when we click on the send button, okay, this ng-click will be called. The ng-click, on clicking of this button, send button, will call the send function. So where is this send function? It is down here in the script. I've written a send function and I've also written a clear function. So send and clear are functions that does what it is supposed to do. Okay, now in this we will also see that there are few new words like ng controller, and now I have a name for my ng app as well. Earlier I tried to give a name and there was an error. I just mentioned only ng app without name and it worked. Now I'm giving a name and I also have a controller. So these are actually modules. I have made a app here using ng app and I've given it a name. So in the next video we are going to understand what is a module and how do we declare that. For now I just want to tell you that we can actually make an SMS composer on your page and later on your app where you can select a list of people. As an assignment you can actually take up having a drop down list here on the top where you have where you can select already predefined groups. Okay, but all this we can do it after we understand modules and modules used which is used to make a controller and a mobile app, sorry, and an app.